Hi, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is the Explorer. If you see motorcycle on the background, basically today I'm going to do something with the exhaust I so that I change a little bit of sound in my motorcycle. So for that, check my video and I'll show you the sound after I take that thing out. There's a coin inside which I'm gonna take out, not divicular. Everybody's taking out divicular, which I'm not gonna do, but I'm going to take out a coin and I'll show you the changes inside. Okay, stay tuned for more. The boys are working on it. So usually people take out divicular and that sound is like different sound, but now I'm going to do a different way of technique to take out the silencer from here, exhaust, then we'll take out the coin from inside. I'll show you the video. Like yeah, there. So she look to her. She's look to her. Look to her. Sat patang yan ko. Udah kain thore. Yar makain dah. Pa amma samajh pa. Look. Iya ngasih mo kon ko. Hi, welcome back again. This is the continuation of from my taking out the coin from the exhaust. I just reached home and I received my gloves from Rhinox from Amazon. So let's just unpack this. They say Rhino says it's storm proof and it's brown in color. And let me see the fitting. Nice. Oh, looks tight. Oh, it's quite tight. Fits well with the palm, but here it's little tight, maybe because my palm is little wider, but I think it's gonna be fine. Knuckle protection is quite good. So it's a little tight. I have to get used to it, but of course if I wear it regularly I might get used to it. Oh, starting with the left, of course. Okay, nice. This one's also good. Anyway guys, exhaust done, motorcycle checked, gloves received, adapter was received few weeks back. So there's a ride coming up soon and it's very interesting, so stay tuned for that. And of course guys, this is all these things I'm just getting for a ride. A big ride's gonna come But before that, we're gonna go for a ride this weekend, and we're gonna stay over there camping and stuff. For that, people who haven't followed me from Instagram, do follow. It's Devsan the Explorer and Manipur Java. These two are my account, and you'll get all the updates about my rides and my lifestyle, what I do, what all things I love doing. And of course, do subscribe, do like, do share this vlog if you like it. And see you at one more vlog. Till then, bye bye, signing off. This is the Explorer. Bye bye, guys.